Okay, welcome to my video. This is my 2018 Bristlecomb Lodge log cabin. It's got a 40-year metal roof on it, all thermopane windows and doors, and Cabelas actually designed the very first one of these back in the early 2000s. Got a house type rear entry door. It's towed to the site just like you see it. All you got to do is put sheets on the bed, hook up the water in the sewer, plug it in, and you're camping. Camping in style. We call this Cadillac camping. Log cabin camping. You've got a 20-gallon electric hot water heater. You've got storage under the stairs leading to the loft. There's an outside water spigot right here. Good view out. So we'll go on in and take a quick look. I took a bunch of pictures. I got this unit plugged in. I'll tell you about a few things it's got with it. This is what I call the modern version of this trailer, because it actually has modern furniture in it. Turn on some more lights. Got beautiful cedar paneling inside and out, as you can see here. Look at all that cedar. Table and 4 chairs. There's storage under the chairs. You've got your 5-burner range, convection microwave, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, just like a house. You've got an undermount kitchen sink, single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer, Corian countertops. This one actually features a dishwasher. That's a Frigidaire pot scrubber. Over here, the drawers are all full extension ball bearing drawer guides, so you can see they pull all the way out. Gives you lots of storage. There's beautiful cedar paneling everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Roof, walls, bathroom. Okay, let's head for the dining area. There's the bay window at the dinette. Stainless fridge. You got a pantry and a coat closet. There's the pantry. And this should be the coat closet, and it is. And you got a closet rod in top. 56,000 BTU furnace. May as well get the bathroom while we're going by. It's got a great big bathroom in it. It's got a shower tub combo with glass doors. There's the vanity. Storage underneath the vanity. Tub surround. Glass doors. Tub and a shower. House type toilet. And nice big towel closet / linen closet over here next to the toilet. Okay, so heading back out. These are all solid core doors. Really nice solid core doors. Cedar paneling on all the walls. There's your house type rear entry door with deadbolt and doorknob for added security. In here, the bedroom has the his and hers Quail Ridge wardrobe, 8 drawers and 4 doors. It's got the Circa mattress and box springs. That's made especially for Forest River. Offered exclusively in our park models. So if we head upstairs, up the steps here, you'll get to see the loft. This is what's called the split loft. So you have a step down into the master bedroom, and this rear loft is going to measure, right at 5 feet tall. Nice big entertainment center, couple cabinets, couple drawers, plenty of places to put the kids' stuff. The shorter loft, which is going to be about 4 foot tall, is over here, and it actually overlooks the front room. So I'm not going to crawl over there. Maybe I can reach over there. There you go. So there's what the front of this trailer looks like. And then we'll head back down the stairs. And that's pretty much it. The only thing I didn't mention probably was the plank wood linoleum throughout. Carpeting in the master bedroom, stairs, and loft only. So there you have it. This is my 2018 Bristlecomb Lodge log cabin. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stop on by and see us in sublet. This is Kelly Hicks RV Sales, and my phone number is 815-849-9089. Thanks.